3, 2, 1, start. To avoid any ambiguity or confusion, the following directions are reimposed with immediate effect and shall be operative till 28 to 2022. Para that all the interim orders oblique directions issued or protection granted, including any order requiring any compliance by the parties to such proceedings passed by this court or any other court subordinate to it, or any family court or labor court or any tribunal or any other judicial or quasi-judicial forum over which this court has power of superintendence, which are subsisting today, shall stand extended till 28 to 2022, provided that the court concerned shall not automatically continue the interim directions and would be free to continue, modify, or recall, as the case may be, the interim orders in case it is of the opinion that the direction contained above is being misused or abused, and for that purpose may take up the matter on the date fixed. Stop. In all other cases, the interim direction as contained above shall continue to be extended up till 28 to 2022. Para that it is further directed that the interim orders or directions of this court or any court subordinate to this court, which are not of a limited duration and are meant to operate till further orders, shall continue to remain in force until modified oblique altered oblique vacated by specific order of the court concerned in a particular case. Para that the time for filing of written statement or return in any suit or proceeding pending before any civil court or any other forum, unless specifically directed, shall stand extended till 28 to 2022. Stop. It is, however, clarified that this will not preclude the parties from filing such written statement or return before 28 to 2022. Para that it is further directed that the orders of eviction, dispossession, demolition, etc., passed by this court or any court subordinate to it or any tribunal or judicial or quasi-judicial forum which have so far remained unexecuted, shall remain in abeyance till 28 to 2022. Para that interim protection given in the anticipatory bail applications by the High Court or Court of Sessions or a limited period which is likely to expire from now up to 28 to 2022, shall stand extended till 28 to 2022. Stop. However, any party aggrieved by the conduct of the accused on such interim protection may move the court session over the matter for discontinuation of such interim protection if any prejudice is caused to him oblique her, in which event the court concerned shall be entitled to take independent view of the matter. Stop.